Hey everybody, this is Brett from OTC. Today we're going to talk about checking your engine coolant level. This is a very important thing as the engine coolant keeps the engine temperature regulated, whether that's keep it cooled off or keep it stabilized. What we got here on this truck is a coolant overflow reservoir, and we have two markings on it. We have cold minimum and we have cold maximum. So we really on this truck want to check it when it's cold. This is something that you can check on any vehicle. It always needs to be cooled off, because as the engine coolant heats up, it will pressurize. This is a pressurized system. So if you try to take the cap off when the engine coolant's hot, you can end up burning yourself. It will shoot coolant out all over you. So we want to let the engine cool off before we check this. But when we look at this type here, the coolant bottle is clear so we can actually see the level of the coolant. And it needs to be between these two lines. On today's trucks and vehicles, we have a coolant level sensor that's actually installed in this tank, and it communicates with the truck's engine computer and the dashboard, and it will tell us or the computer when we have low coolant, and that can cause check engine lights to come on. Okay, so if you're a driver and you have a check engine light come on, this is one of the easiest things to check that could be the cause of that, although there is a lot of other things that could cause the check engine light to come on. We always want to check our coolant. This is something we should do daily. As a driver standpoint or as a technician standpoint, we're checking our fluid checks. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.